Hi, everyone. This is Professor Robert Cooper. I'm teaching data visualization, so welcome to data visualization. This is a unique situation this spring, so I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. This is the first video in the series that I'm producing for this quarter. This video is designed to make sure that you have R and RStudio loaded correctly on your computer so that you can start on the videos and assignments and do a great job and hopefully learn a lot in this unique time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get right to it. I've opened and I've already typed into my browser the cranrproject.org. Uh, if you look at the introductory slides to the course, you'll see one slide early on that has hyperlinks to this and to the RStudio site. You can just click on those and it'll take you directly to here. So now, it depends on what kind of machine you have, what you should do next, but it's very simple either way. If you have a Mac, you choose this link here, and then you choose the most recent version, and you download this package and you run the installation software. Okay. When you do that, you should have an R that looks like this. It looks very basic. This is going to be running underneath the interface RStudio. You don't need to actually run anything from this, but if you can open up R and find it and see what it looks like, and it looks like this, that means you've done it correctly. All right. Next is for Windows. If we're doing Windows instead, you do the same thing, except in the package sense, you go for the base and you install from here. And then you download R 3.6.3 for Windows, and you follow the links the same way. All right. Let's go now to RStudio. And I've gone straight to the downloads page. Very easy to get to that page. And then you have all these choices, and obviously you do not want the one that costs 5,000 bucks a year. You want the one that is free. It's going to do everything you want and more. And so you just go and you download here. Then you find the version that's right for you. Invariably, almost, it will be one of these two. All right. And you do the same thing, and you execute, and you download just like you would. And if you've done it correctly, then when you get ready to start, actually, I will close mine out. And I will open it back up fresh so you can see what it looks like. For some reason, it's taking an extra amount of time right now. All right. So now I've changed some features about my particular version of RStudio, like the background and not having a black typesetting on white space. I've flipped that. I encourage you to do that on your own time. But this is what RStudio is going to look like. It's going to have, depending on how it opens in your machine, you can have anything from 2 to 4 windows showing at one time. You should have 4 windows available to you. One of them will be the console. One of them will be where R scripts are, and that's where you'll write code, execute, and save it. And then an environment window that'll tell you what objects are currently created in R. You may not know what that means right now, but you will eventually. And then a plotting window to show any plots that you make before you save them and export them. This also shows you what packages you have, what files you currently have in your project folder, these kinds of things. So if you have R and RStudio up and running like this, then you should be ready to go. and you should have more than enough to get you started between that, the data camp videos, and the videos that I'm creating, in addition to the slides that I will have and the Zoom meetings that we will have throughout the quarter. All right, that's it for video 1.